Welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a thumbnail to your video on YouTube on the phone. I will show you how to do it, the best method, the fastest. So you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is go to store, Google Store. You must write YouTube Studio and install it. Okay, and now you open this application and login on your account. I have weak internet, I see. And to choose video to which you want add thumbnail, you choose, and now you click on the pencil, yes, here, and again you click on the pencil. Now you may add, as you can see, new thumbnail, and it's okay. Later you click on save, and you did it. So that's all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope that I helped you. You may leave like, subscribe for help, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. Thanks.